Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the aspect ratio of video clips you upload to your Vimeo video library. So let us guide you through this. So for this method, guys, navigate to the given video in your video library through the video editor on Vimeo. And here what you want to do is click into this button just above the preview window or that frame here. This button here, 16:9, which is the default aspect ratio for the video clip I uploaded, but you can go with one of these, 1:1 and 9:16, or click into more options and choose one of these. Then there's also the option to change, for example, the video clip orientation from landscape to portrait. You can do this by navigating to the media tab here to the left and by clicking into a ratio, and then, for example, filter out media from your library that have a landscape or square or portrait aspect ratio. So if you change that here accordingly, you may filter out these videos there as well here from your playlist to add to your video project. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.